Welcome to A to Z ERP training. In this session, we will explore the complete workflow of warehouse page in inventory management system. We will go through each section of this page and understand its purpose and functionality. First of all, at the top of this page, you can see the different stats that how many warehouses you have in this page, the stock products in all of the warehouses and total stock quantity in all the warehouses and multiple locations of the different outlets or shops or warehouses and the number of users to whom you have assigned the warehouses. Secondly, you can see the warehouse detail over here, the title of the warehouse, the locations, and secondly, the inventory, products and product variants of the specific warehouse. Let's move on to the operations of this page. You can create a new warehouse with different locations. You can also export the data, and if you have applied any kind of filters, you can also reset or refresh the page. If you click on Assign Warehouse, basically you can select any user to assign any warehouse or multiple warehouse to a specific user. The basic purpose of this section is to allow a user to only access the specific items of a specific warehouse. If you click on any line or the eye icon, you can see the further detail of the warehouse, that how many products, how many SKUs, how much stock quantity do you have in this warehouse. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand now how to use efficiently the warehouse page with A to Z ERP.